Let's start with a flawless base. I'm painting on a smooth layer of liquid foundation to get full, even coverage right from the beginning. Grab a damp beauty sponge and tap, tap, tap. Make sure everything is blended seamlessly into the skin for that airbrushed finish. Next, we're going in with a brightening concealer under the eyes to wake up the face, blending it out gently so it melts right into the foundation. Time to bring back some dimension. Apply your cream contour along the cheekbones, temple, and jawline to sculpt the face. Blend upwards to keep everything lifted. Lock it all in place with a translucent setting powder and follow up with a fluffy brush to dust on some warm bronzer for a sun-kissed glow. Moving on to the brows. Frame your face by filling in any sparse areas with hair-like strokes, then clean up the edges with a bit of concealer for a sharp look. For the eyes, buff a soft transition shade into the crease for depth. Then press a stunning high-shine glitter shadow right onto the center of the lid. Take your time drawing a sharp, dramatic winged liner. Once that's set, pop on a pair of wispy false lashes to really make the eyes pop. Smoke out the lower lash line.